This is a Unit 1 recap for our cumulative assessment for first semester. So Unit 1 was solving linear equations. Remember that we're using inverse operations to solve for a variable. So in number 1, we have negative 2x plus 8 is equal to negative 12. So we are going to subtract 8 from both sides. Negative 2x is equal to negative 20. Then we can divide both sides by negative 2. So x equals 10. In number 2, we have parentheses. So we have 8x minus parentheses x minus 12 equals 30. So we are going to distribute the negative 2. We get 8x minus 2x plus 24 equals 30. We can combine the x's, so we get 6x plus 24 is equal to 30. We can subtract 24 from both sides. 6x equals 6. When we divide, x equals 1. In number 3, we have a proportion. So in order to solve a proportion, you are going to cross multiply. So we have 2 times 2x plus 3 equals 9 times 4. So we're going to distribute the 2 to both terms because we wanted to put this in parentheses. 4x plus 6 is equal to 36. Next, we are going to subtract 6 from both sides, so we get 4x is equal to 30. Then we can divide both sides by 4, so x equals 7.5, or as a fraction, we could have 15 over 2. In number 4, we have variables on both sides, so we're going to move the smaller variable, 6x, by adding it to both sides. Negative 12 is equal to 20x plus 48. We can subtract 48 from both sides. Negative 60 is equal to 20x. We divide by 20, x equals negative 3. In number 5, we first need to distribute to get rid of our parentheses. So we get 7x minus 7 is equal to 7x. We can combine our numbers, minus 7. Notice when we subtract 7x from both sides, the variables cancel out, and we're left with negative 7 equals negative 7, which is a true statement. So this can be infinitely many solutions. In number 6, to solve for y, we are going to subtract 2x from both sides. Negative 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 18. We're going to divide by negative 3. Y equals 2/3 x minus 6. Then we want to match the number of solutions to the correct graph. So one solution is where our lines intersect, so that's A. No solution is when our lines are parallel, which is B. And infinitely many solutions is when we have lines overlapping, so that's going to be C.